Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to skip Fabletics VIP membership. First of all, open your laptop or PC or mobile phone, whatever you're using, and go to their website. And once you go to their website, you will see an interface like this one, a gift for you. You might see this pop-up. You can just click on any of the gift, that depends on you. But let's say you do not see that option, you can just directly close it and you will be at the home section. So just click on sign in, or otherwise you just need to scroll down and you will see this option called become a new VIP. Just click on this option, enter the first name, the email address that is associated with your accounts, the password. Make sure that you select the password whatever you want to select. Phone number optional, that is your choice. If you want to add it. If not, that is your choice. And just click on this unlock 80% off. Now this is basically the offer that you need to claim. As you can see, claim your 80% off right now. Just create an account and you will get this 80% off for your first VIP membership. You will get this offer easily. But let's say as you can see, you might see this pop-up as well, a gift just for you. You can just click on any of the boxes and you will also see this 80% off everything, new VIPs only. Now this is the offer that you can get on the Fabletics easily. Make sure that you use your new account, sign in with your new account, give them all the information, and after that you will be able to get that huge discount on the Fabletics. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get it.